So the Microsoft Fabric March 2026 update just dropped. All right, first up, let's talk about making Fabric truly enterprise ready. You need rock-solid security, you need operations to be predictable, and you need to control and see everything. These new generally available features are all about control, control, control. We're talking more detailed security, better integrations for managing risk, and just stronger governance across the platform. What this really means is that administrators get much better visibility and more reliable ways to manage their pipelines. Okay, so that's one side of the coin. Now let's switch gears to the second major theme. This part of the update is all for the data engineers and developers. Let's face it, the world of data development has completely changed. Teams today expect their tools to just work seamlessly with things like Git for version control. They need to support CI/CD pipelines and automate as much of the boring, tedious stuff as possible. It's all about speed and agility. And boom, here's Fabric's answer. These new features, now in public preview, are meeting this demand head-on. We're seeing much deeper Git integration for CI/CD, a way more powerful command line interface, and better performance under the hood. The goal of all this? To make Fabric feel like a natural, seamless part of a modern dev environment. All right, enough with the high-level talk. Let's get our hands dirty with a fantastic, real-world example of how Fabric is making really complex stuff way simpler. We're going to look at the new Lakehouse Maintenance Activities, and the best part? Absolutely no custom code required. First, a super quick primer so we're all on the same page. The heart of a modern data lakehouse is something called a delta table. Just think of it as a smart layer on top of all your data files that brings the kind of reliability you'd expect from a database. It's what makes everything we're about to do possible. And here is the problem that gives every data engineer nightmares. Over time, as you keep adding and changing data, your beautiful, clean data lake can get cluttered with tons of tiny files and old versions you don't need anymore. It gets slow, it gets expensive, it becomes the dreaded data swamp. So how do you keep it clean? Well, here is the beautifully simple, no-code solution. Fabric now gives you two pipeline activities. First is Optimize, which smartly bundles all those small files into bigger ones. The result? Your queries get way, way faster. Then there's Vacuum, which cleans house by deleting all the old data files you don't need, which, you guessed it, saves you money on storage. Okay, great. So your data is clean, it's optimized, it's fast. But what about the next critical step? How do you make sure that everyone and everything that uses that data, from your BI reports to other apps, is seeing the absolute latest version? How do you automate that? And the solution is, once again, just as simple. This new Refresh SQL Endpoint Activity turns it into a three-click process. You pick your workspace, you set up the connection, and you choose the endpoint. That's it. The magic here is the automation. No more writing custom API calls or building complex orchestration. It's just a simple, reliable step in your pipeline now. So after looking at everything from these high-level platform controls all the way down to these specific no-code activities, what's the big picture? Let's boil it all down to the most important takeaways. Look, if you remember one thing from this whole update, make it this. First, Fabric is getting dead serious about being enterprise ready, giving admins the control they've been asking for. Second, it's going all in on modern development to make data engineers' lives easier. And third, it's taking complex, annoying tasks and turning them into simple, no-code building blocks. The bottom line is the platform is growing up, and it's doing it for both the people who operate it and the people who build on it.